Now, this is going to be a very fast and easy, refined, all-purpose vegetable stew. At the time I make this video, it was a very busy time for me renovating my house. So I was cooking for the workers while the African in me was craving something totally different. So because I didn't want to make two meals every day, so I came up with making use of my leftover stew at home and prepare this amazing vegetable stew that can serve me all weeks through with different kinds of side dish. So if you are one person like me who have no time now, this is a perfect recipe for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I truly appreciate you, my returning subscribers. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for watching. If you have any leftover stew in your fridge that has been staring at you, it is time to turn it into something delicious. This is my case on those days. So I had some leftover stew and I needed to eat something very delicious and very fast. So you will grab your oil, saute some onion, add in your leftover stew. Now, if you go for tomato, fresh tomato and bell peppers, all you need is just let it cook a little bit longer, okay, to achieve your taste. I added some dry or smoked fish. Let that fish release all the flavor in your stew, and then add in some protein broth. Now my protein, it's already cooked because there was no time for me to video everything, like I said, but I needed to share this recipe out there for whoever that is lack of time like me, or have some leftover stew that need to go. This recipe is for you. So for my protein, I have cow tripe, I have cow skin, beef, and then some smoked fish. Okay, so whatever you have is also suitable for this recipe. So what I did is just add in the protein broth, cover up and let it cook. Now you want to taste to adjust to your preference. Okay, add in whatever. If you are making use of leftover stew, remember it's already seasoned. You can always season at the end of it on this recipe, so do not over season your stew. So I added some fresh scotch bonnet pepper. That will give me an amazing flavor to, make everything look alive, a fresh taste. Okay, so after adding that, you will add in your cooked protein, everything, and then add in some dry prawns, add in some blended crayfish, just add in whatever you have at home that you need to add in this stew, or that you wish to have in this stew. Then cover it up again and let it cook. To my spinach, what I did is just thoroughly clean or wash clean, then cut it, add in some boiled water, cover it up and let it release the juice. Okay, this is just to prevent having excess juice or excess liquid in your stew again. So after doing that, this is what it looks like, guys. Looks super good. Add it the moment the spinach comes in, it tells that your meal is almost just stopped to go. Let me use this time to say a big thank you to you that is still watching this video. I truly appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the like button for me if you haven't already done so. Please do that for me. It will go a long way. It will do you no harm but a great help to me. Thank you once again for doing so. At this point, you want to generously incorporate your spinach. Like, guys, the moment I bring in my spinach, I am just good to go. Just 1 minute or let it simmer and your stew will be ready, depending on how you like to have it. Like I said earlier, I will repeat, just blanch your spinach before bringing into your pot of soup. That way it will release all the juice and prevent you from having a watery pot of spinach stew. Make sure you also cool it down with some cold water to retain the greenness of the spinach. I added some blended crayfish at the end of it, and that's it, guys. Our spinach pot of stew is ready. I paired it with some boiled plantain on that day. We also had it all through the week, so I just portioned it. We had it with rice, we had it with plantain, we had it with swallow, all sort of side dish. It is an all-purpose, all-round stew, spinach stew, and we enjoyed it. This is a time saver for me. Now, if you are asking, is she not done with the renovating of kitchen? Guys, I am done, and that video will be coming up to you very soon. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't done so, leave your opinion in the comment section, share this video for me, guys, hit the like button, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.